The 3-axis planar toolpath in SURFCAM has 2 settings to control cut direction. One possibility is to run parallel raster cuts relative to a line. The other possibility is to cut following the flow of a reference surface. Let's take a look at how to build the reference surface to cut across several fillet surfaces. If we have our part in SURFCAM, we can create a float surface by first creating a drive curve following the shape we need. The Create Spline Surface Boundary command will create a silhouette curve along the fillet edges. Once we have that drive curve, we can create 2 lines that sit normal to the ends of that curve using normal vectors generated by the Create Points command. These will serve as cross sections. Now that the wireframe is created, we can move on to making the flow surface. It just needs to reside in line along the z-axis from our cut surfaces in order to act as a reference surface. The drive curve surface follows the edge of the fillet. Once the drive curve surface is in place, we can create a 3-axis planar toolpath. While the planar toolpath usually creates that raster cut parallel to linear endpoints, we'll change it here to follow a flow surface. This allows us to get that nice single surface cut flow across multiple surfaces. We can now control the direction of cut by modifying the reference surface state and updating our toolpath.